Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn re Ustm ya ka jing shakri ka jongka. Baden ais ngo bhasha baro kinong thi thuk thuk. Ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali ki laptop. Kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8,000 pusau. Net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra mangi hakhir dob ying jongpi.
Kementeri Kekayaan Jangka Sarkar Jela ke Dr. Amrin Lingdo haklai Turk Urisau arajar Pausau kelepentip bagi Jela Meghalaya kalau support li ke additional seat nak bentak lain pulih medical hadir ke Sarkar India kalau aji menjur Sdang no ya ke PA Sangma International Medical College University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kum ke Private Medical College Nyngkong Meghalaya. Hagajnya keran baik kelap pathai ke buar ke Dr. Amrin kalau meminta kisamla pulih jangka Jela Meghalaya kan siyo alat benai pulih ke MBBS hapok kan ke sekolah ba hak ba arpod ligi seat kan dai nak benta ke full scholarship kan ba arpod ligi seat kan long nak benta ke jing siyo belong tang shiteng dor.
The Honorable Chief Minister of our state, Mr. Conrad Sangmaji, has already announced that following his interaction with the Ustm Institute and congratulating them on their achievement of the start of the first medical college in the state of Meghalaya, run by them in their institute. We are also very happy to get this information today that 40 additional seats for medical studies now becomes open to the students of Meghalaya interested in pursuing MBBS seats. 20 of those seats will be fully scholarshiped. 20 of the seats will be under full scholarship. 20 of the seats will also be under half payment of fees. Altogether, 40 seats. We thank the USTM and we hope that the students of the state of Meghalaya will benefit greatly from this great opportunity that has come. The session of 24-25 is starting, and that is the best thing that has happened. We will have a separate advertisement for this because these seats have come now only. We will inform citizens accordingly through proper channel and advertisements in the next few days to come. We were allotted 93 seats from the government of Meghalaya, government of India, and now with the USTM, you please plus 40 seats. 20 under scholarship, full scholarship, and 20 after under half scholarship. As that I visited the institute, I am of the opinion that they are prepared. Everything, all the infrastructure for year 1, 2 and 3 as per the requirement of the NMC. I think they have already they've already constructed. You will not get NOC if you don't have all the pre-required requirements for the start of medical college. We have not been able to come to a complete procedure, but it is under process. Yes, we are awaiting for the Honorable Chief Minister to give us further instructions on the matter. We are targeting one institute in 24-25. Now it has fructified. We have said that the second, hopefully, if everything goes right, will start in the session of 25-26, and the Tura Medical College, because of various difficulties, we are hoping that will also start shortly, 27-28 session. That is not for me to respond to. There are certified authorities to look into all of these allegations. I have no idea whatsoever why that was the stand of the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and I am not in a position to even attempt to reply to these questions. We only know that we now have 40 more seats for medical studies for the students of the state of Meghalaya.